Kamusta everyone? So this will be my first unboxing video, vlog, whatever you want to call it. I bought something like a couple of days ago and it finally arrived like yesterday. It arrived. Actually I bought this one. This one is from Korea. So you want to see what's inside? I have a clue. The army might like what's inside. So let's unbox. I'm kinda excited. Actually, I know what's inside already. Pero syempre, iba pa din yung nakita mo in person. Nahawakan mo, nakita mo yung quality. Actually, I'm gonna show you. Hold on. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Are you ready, guys? So, this is the one. It's called BTS 7 Pieces. I hope the camera focuses on it. So, it's actually a collaboration between one of my favorite contemporary artists. His name is James Jin. I have one sculpture of him, the bird. I'm gonna show you later, maybe. But this one is I really like his work, his painting, his sculpture, and then it just so happened that I think some of the members of BTS likes also some of the members like also the works of James Jin. So I'm a collector of James Jin's arts. So when I heard this one, actually I heard this one from one of my friends. He's also a collector of James Jin, Denry. So shout out to him. So I asked him, once I saw his post on IG, I asked him about this one. So actually this one is, you can see this one, you can only buy this from Weaver Shop. I don't know, I'm not a member yet of this shop. I don't have an app, but Denry's wife is an army, so she's a member of this River Shop. So I asked her to buy this thing. Oops, baliktad pa. So this one, so let's open. It's actually a poster book, you can see. So I'm so excited. So I'm gonna open it carefully. Whoa, I like that sound. So it's actually part of the exhibit by Hybe Insight. I don't know. I think it's the brand or the. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you're an army, I'm not yet an army, or maybe I am already.
Oh no!
Their music are great actually. I like their music. This past few days I've been listening to their music, the Butter. I really like it. It's a catchy song. So anyways, going back to this art, so here's what's inside. This is the when you open it, this will be like that. So and then so this is the cover. I'll put it here first. Okay. And then this is the first one. This is the first artwork or painting. I'm not so sure. Actually, it's not a painting. Pala, sorry. It's a mixed media on canvas. What James Jin call it the MOONCHILD. So I'm gonna show you first this one. So it's like a poster. Actually, my plan for this one, the reason why I bought this one is when I already built my house, I'm gonna frame all of this and put it on my wall. So this is the first one. It's called MOONCHILD. There you go. And the back part is like this. So if you can see, like that. So this is the first one. It's really gorgeous when you. Oh my god. Okay, let's go to the next one. I'll put it here. The second poster is this one. James Jin call it NARCISSUS. So there. This is the second one. Actually, the size of this poster is like 152 by 202.5 centimeter. So there. So this is the colored one, and the back part also same as the first one. This one. Yeah, it's so nice. I mean, when you look at it personally, I mean because if you're really not familiar with James Jin, his painting is so amazing. His paintings are very detailed and very colorful. So this is the NARCISSUS, the second one. The third one is called MEOWTIDE. So I think, if I'm not sure if these posters are 7, so most likely if I'm correct or if I'm right, this might be a representation of each member of the BTS, because I think BTS they have 7 members, right? So let's see. So this is the third one. So nice. I'm gonna frame all of this. Really. Pinagpapawisan po ako. It's kind of hot. So the fourth one is called Solaria. So there you go. It's like a child, a son, riding on a horse, in a purple horse. So it's like that. Okay. So this is one. Sorry. Fourth. So the fifth one is, they call it Champignon. I don't know how it pronounced. So, paano siya i-pronounce? So, this one naman is like, I don't know, it's like a mushroom. It's like a child carrying so many mushrooms. You see? So also the back part is the sketch. And then this one is the front one. It's called Champignon. I'm not so sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. Sorry guys. So the sixth poster is there. Violin, I don't know. So this one naman is like a kid a child, a boy. Daming sinabi, no? Kid, child, boy. This one he's carrying like, I don't know what he's carrying. It's like carrying, I don't know what it is. And then there's like, this one is like a saxophone. See, there's a saxophone. And then he's, I don't know, he's made of what? Cubics. It's really, really gorgeous. It's really a collector's item, guys. Imagine James Jean and BTS, a collaboration between these two amazing artists, right? Then this is the last one, the seven posters. So I am assuming that each poster represents each member of the BTS. So this is the last one. It calls COTTONTAIL. So it calls COTTONTAIL. So ano ba itsura niya? How it looks like? So this one naman is like, there's so many rabbits. I don't know if you will see. There's a lot of rabbits. A kid playing a rabbit. So I don't know. It calls COTTONTAIL. So maybe COTTONTAIL white. I don't know. But it's really, really, really gorgeous, guys. If you're really into an art, actually I just started collecting posters, like paintings. This is my new hobby, collecting beautiful and amazing arts from different artists all over the world. So guys, I'm just so happy. So I don't know what this one. Oh, this is the sixth one. Sorry. So let me count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 7. Yeah, this 7 na pala talaga siya. Sorry guys, nawala na ako sa bilans. Na-overwhelm ako dun sa nakikita ko. So I guess this is the combination of the 7. So all the 7 boys are here. This one calls the garden. Yeah. Garden. So sa mga BTS dyan, sa mga ARMY, hello, kaway-kaway. So maybe I am a BTS, I am a member of an ARMY now. So love this one. You see? So there you go, guys. There you have it. I show you already the posters. So this is the big one. Like how many of them? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 7. So they're all here. They're all here. The 7 members BTS. I am assuming, I'm not so sure. So, but since this is a collaboration, so I'm assuming. So, anyways, so there you go, guys. I hope you like my first unboxing of my first purchase. Actually, second purchase of James Jean arts. But yeah, this is the first, actually, first, second, whatever. First print that I bought, made by James Jean. And yeah, because, right, it's really gorgeous, right? So there you have it. So this is like, actually when I show this one to my nieces, because one of my 2 nieces are member of the ARMY, so they thought I'm gonna give this to them, but I said no, this is mine, this is my collection, I'm gonna frame this is for my house, my future house. So there you have it, guys. So I hope you like it. I'm really sweaty right now. So I hope you like it, and bye bye till my next unboxing video. Bye. Always remember, life is amazing.